We have received a number of benefits from working with TaxConnex. The number one benefit is to reduce our risk in the sales tax arena because we are a SaaS platform, and with that comes more complications. And then you add in the Wayfair case of economic nexus, which complicated things a little bit more. And we relied on TaxConnex to help us determine our nexus for the 42 states that we operate in. My name is Dinah McQueen. My company is Profisee. I'm the corporate controller there. I've been there for 3 years, and we sell software, and it helps people manage their trusted data for analytics. Profisee started as an owner with a great idea. I had one controller, one person doing accounting that needed to focus on company growth, complying with reporting structure for GAAP, reports for the bank, various type of reporting, and not particularly be an expert in taxes. The opportunity was to look for a company that was expert in that area and could actually do the taxes, and something that Profisee or the accountant didn't have to worry about. When we were making our decision for a sales tax provider, we looked at multiple companies. We looked at a couple of small companies as well as a large company, and we chose the smaller company for personalized service as well as to meet our cost budget. We chose TaxConnex because it was a smaller company. Smaller company we felt like would understand our business because smaller companies can relate to smaller companies. It's just part of life. If you find a way, something that you have in common with somebody else, you automatically start having a relationship. TaxConnex handled all of our registrations, all of our filings. All I had to do was provide a little bit of information, a little bit of guidance, and I don't have to spend a lot of time with it. So that is a huge benefit for a small accounting team. Jessica is our tax practitioner. She's awesome. We've been working together 3 years, and over the time period, we've established a really good relationship. We know about each other's hobbies, interests. I know about her kids' activities. She knows about my dog activities. So we're like a family now, and I really appreciate because she's very responsive. For example, it became necessary for us to file Canadian taxes, and my first option was email Jessica, so I emailed her and said, hey, I hate to do this to you around the holidays, but we're going to have to file in 2 provinces in Canada, but we just became qualified to file PST and GST and HST in Canada. So she was on it, and I'm extraordinarily impressed with her quick turnaround. She's efficient, she's got our registrations, we're just waiting back to hear from the agencies. So those are the kinds of relationships where you can reach out and you know that the person's got your back. And I know Jessica has our back. Her work is accurate. I don't have to go back and say, well, you know, where is this particular number? She always has it on this spreadsheet, and that's really, really valuable because I need to be able to count on the numbers and their accuracy. I would highly recommend TaxConnex to any size company, small or large. TaxConnex provides personalized service for a good cost value, and you really can't beat that in the market when you get good cost value. And you're going to be assigned a specific practitioner that will work with you throughout your tenure with TaxConnex. And that's what makes TaxConnex a really special company to work with. Well, we have a saying about TaxConnex between the other accountant and myself, and we always say, TaxConnex rocks.